Picture this: your online photography empire awaits. Have you ever dreamed of making money from your passion for photography? Imagine turning your hobby into a full-fledged business that not only pays the bills but also brings you immense joy and satisfaction. Guess what? It's totally possible. With the right approach and mindset, you can transform your love for capturing moments into a lucrative career. In today's digital world, photographers have more opportunities than ever to turn their skills into a source of income. From selling prints online to offering virtual photography classes, the possibilities are endless. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, the online world is your oyster. You can reach a global audience, showcase your unique style, and connect with clients from all over the world. Get ready to learn some awesome strategies to monetize your photography and build a thriving online business. We'll cover everything from setting up your online portfolio to marketing your services effectively. This isn't about get-rich-quick schemes, it's about hard work, dedication, and a sprinkle of creativity. Success in the online photography world requires persistence and a willingness to continuously improve your craft. So, grab your camera, charge those batteries, and let's dive into the exciting world of online photography. Together, we'll explore the steps you need to take to turn your passion into a profitable venture. First things first, you need a killer portfolio. Think of it as your online photography gallery, showcasing your very best work. Choose your absolute favorite photos that represent your unique style and skills. Aim for a variety of subjects, lighting, and compositions to demonstrate your range. Keep your portfolio clean, easy to navigate, and visually appealing. A well-organized portfolio is crucial for attracting potential clients and buyers. Remember, your portfolio is your online resume, so make it shine. Social media platforms like Instagram and Pinterest are your new best friends. These visual platforms are perfect for showcasing your photography and connecting with a wider audience. Share your best work consistently, engage with your followers, and use relevant hashtags to reach new photography enthusiasts. Instagram is all about stunning visuals and short, impactful captions. Pinterest, on the other hand, is a goldmine for driving traffic to your website or online shop. Use both platforms strategically to build your brand and attract potential customers. Section 4. Stock Photography. Success. Turning your snapshots into cash. Did you know you can sell your photos online through stock photography websites? It's a great way to turn your passion for photography into a steady stream of income. Platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and iStock Photo offer a vast library of images for businesses and individuals to purchase and use. These platforms are always in need of fresh, high-quality content. Simply upload your high-quality photos, add relevant keywords, and start earning royalties every time someone downloads your work. The process is straightforward and can be done from the comfort of your home. Focus on capturing in-demand subjects like travel, food, nature, and lifestyle. These categories are always popular and have a high demand. The more diverse your portfolio, the better your chances of attracting buyers. A varied collection can appeal to a wider audience and increase your sales potential. Stock photography can be a fantastic way to generate passive income from your photography. With consistent effort and creativity, you can build a successful side business or even a full-time career. Section 5. Prince Charming creating an online shop for your photography. In this section, we'll guide you through the steps to turn your passion for photography into a profitable online business. Why not turn your stunning photographs into tangible works of art? Imagine your best shots hanging on someone's wall, bringing joy and inspiration to their daily life. Setting up an online shop to sell prints of your photos is a fantastic way to monetize your passion. It's not just about making money, it's about sharing your unique perspective with the world. Websites like Etsy, Shopify, and Squarespace make it incredibly easy to create a professional-looking online store without any technical expertise. These platforms offer user-friendly tools and templates to help you get started quickly. From frame prints to canvas wraps and even phone cases, the possibilities are endless. You can offer a wide range of products that showcase your photography in different formats. Offer a variety of print sizes and formats to cater to different budgets and preferences. This way, you can attract a broader audience and meet the needs of various customers. Promote your online shop through social media and email marketing to reach a wider audience. Utilize platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest to showcase your work and drive traffic to your store. Engaging with your audience and building a community around your brand can significantly boost your sales. Section 6. Sharing your expertise, online courses and workshops. Are you a pro at capturing stunning landscapes or editing portraits to perfection? Why not share your knowledge and skills with aspiring photographers? Creating and selling online courses or workshops is a fantastic way to generate income while helping others improve their photography. Platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, and Teachable make it easy to create and host your online courses. Offer valuable content, provide personalized feedback, and build a community around your teaching to attract and retain students. Section 7. The future is in focus. Embracing the digital age of photography. The digital age has ushered in incredible opportunities for photographers to monetize their passion. From selling prints online to teaching workshops and everything in between, the possibilities are truly endless. The key is to be proactive, adaptable, and always willing to learn and grow. So, go out there, experiment with different income streams, and build a successful online photography business that fuels your creativity and financial freedom. The world is your canvas.